Okay guys, I think we know where this is. So, we're just gonna... This is my first freight in 2021 too. So... Alright, let's do what we normally do. We'll take a look at those when we're done here. Alright, let's get on the one. Hydraulic. I guess we're taking a look at them now, not later. Dover. No emergency light. Some black paint, spray paint there. Alright, let's go to 2. Look at the cab view. I guess this is a nice lift, cargo lift. This is the only one that the other one's been modded actually. It's now an H Express. I don't know why they modded it. They also locked all that area too where it's at. This is the one that's in the show, like a showroom area. They did put a new light in here though. That's the only thing that's different. They put a new light fixture in here. This is a 32-year-old Dover, so it's from 1989. Excuse me. 5,000 pound capacity. I'm not going to open it. Look at these fixtures. Okay. Well, that's it.